It's important to note that there is no such thing as free easy money. Making money using ChatGPT or any other tool requires hard work, dedication, and a good understanding of how the tool works and how it can be used to generate revenue. ChatGPT is a new artificial intelligence chatbot that can generate intelligent responses to questions in natural language. The chatbot is based on the GPT-3 transformer model, which was developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is designed to provide intelligent and natural responses to questions in online chat conversations. The chatbot is based on the GPT-3 transformer model, which was developed by OpenAI. The chatbot is capable of understanding the context of a conversation and generating responses accordingly. ChatGPT is also able to generate responses in different languages, depending on the language of the conversation. ChatGPT is a great way to make money online. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or a variety of other methods. You can also choose to receive payments in gift cards from a variety of retailers. There is no minimum payout, so you can cash out your earnings as soon as you reach the payment threshold. ChatGPT has a very low cash-out threshold of just $1, so you can receive your payments quickly. The site has a great referral program, so you can earn even more money by referring your friends. In this video, we are going to show how to make money in 2023 by using ChatGPT. There are some ways you can potentially use ChatGPT to make money online, but it will require effort and time to implement them. Some ideas include: 1. Content generation. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, unique content for your blog or website, and then monetize it through advertising or affiliate marketing. 2. Chatbot development. You can use ChatGPT to develop chatbots for businesses, and then charge a fee for this service. 3. Research and analysis. You can use ChatGPT to perform research, data analysis, and other tasks for businesses, and then charge a fee for this service. 4. Language translation. You can use ChatGPT to translate the content to different languages, and then charge a fee for this service. 5. Virtual assistant. You can use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant, and then charge a fee for this service. 6. Automation of repetitive tasks. You can use the model to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry or research. You can charge businesses or individuals for this service. 7. Text generation service. You can use ChatGPT to generate text for chatbot, email, or social media campaigns. You can charge businesses for this service. 8. Developing and selling conversational AI applications. You can create chatbots or virtual assistants using ChatGPT, and then sell them to businesses or individuals. 9. Offering consulting services. If you have experience working with ChatGPT or other language models, you can offer consulting services to help other businesses or individuals implement similar technology. 10. Creating and selling training data. ChatGPT is a machine learning model that requires a large amount of data to be trained. You can create and sell training data sets to companies or individuals who are developing conversational AI. 11. Creating and selling tutorials or educational material. You can create tutorials, courses, or other educational materials on how to use ChatGPT and sell them to individuals or businesses. 12. Email responder. GPT can be used to create intelligent and context-aware automated email responses for businesses and individuals. 13. Generate leads. GPT can be used to generate leads by creating personalized marketing messages that can be sent to potential customers. 14. Outreach. GPT can be used to generate personalized emails and messages for the purpose of gaining new clients or partnerships. 15. Research. GPT can be used to generate research summaries, literature reviews, and reports which can be used by professionals. 16. Transcription and translation. GPT can be used to create transcriptions of audio and video, as well as to translate text in one language to another. Build a chatbot or conversational agent using ChatGPT and sell it to businesses or individuals who are looking for automated chat solutions. Use ChatGPT to generate content for social media, websites, or other platforms, and sell that content to businesses or individuals who need high-quality, Engaging text. Train ChatGPT on a specific domain or topic and use it to generate content for that domain or topic, which you can then sell to businesses or individuals who need specialized content. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for new products or services, which you can then develop and sell. Offer consulting or training services on how to use ChatGPT or other language models for chat generation or other applications. It's important to note that making money with ChatGPT or any other technology requires a combination of skills and resources, as well as a clear understanding of your target market and how to reach them. It may take some experimentation and hard work to find a successful business model, but with persistence and creativity, it is possible to use ChatGPT to generate income. You will need to put in the effort to market your services, find clients, and build a reputation as a reliable provider. It's important to note that competition is high, and there are many other people who are providing similar services, so you will need to find a way to stand out and provide value to your clients. ChatGPT is not able to perform tasks on its own. It requires to be integrated with other technologies and platforms, and it will require coding and technical knowledge to make it work for generating revenue. If you like our video about how to make money in 2023 by using ChatGPT, so please like and share our video, and subscribe to our channel for more updates about how to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.